Attack of the giant chicken people. I've got goosebumps. Hey guys!
Hey.
It has been just about forever since we've made a video, and I just want to let you guys know we're making more videos again. We took a short break for the summer for reasons, and we had a lot going on. We got family here right now, but we want to make a new video for you guys. We're going blueberry picking in about 5 seconds because this will be edited, so I guess we'll see you guys there. And Molly's holding a chicken because she wants to.
Oh, why not?
And if you would like to see a little time chart thing of how our chickens grew up, I will be showing that now. You will see them from baby chicks to giant chickens. So that's coming up right now.
They are not fully grown though.
Okay, so we are heading down to the post office because we ordered our chickens and they're coming in.
To the post office.
Yeah, I did not know you could buy living things from the post office, but apparently you can. So we're gonna pick up our little chicks. I really wanted to be
Judah from the post office.
I really wanted to be able to hold them during school, but Mom said that you have to wash your hands every time you hold them, so that's sad. Yeah, we're heading inside. Whoa, over there, look. Live bees. Wow, live bees. I didn't even know you could buy this stuff through the mail.
Oh, can you hear them chirping?
Yeah.
So whose babies are they?
Always.
She's the...
Thank you very much.
There you go.
No,
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
you hear them? Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Let me focus on them. Oh my gosh. Wow.
One that has the puffball?
Yes, I do. I see
Oh
that.
my
puppy.
gosh.
All right, come on.
Do you hear it? It's so cute. That's a good experiment. Can baby chicks get car sick? Oh my gosh.
Not so loud.
That specialty breed one seems... Oh, they're tired. Oh, look at their little eyes.
Oh, look at that one! Don't touch.
They're
cute.
so fluffy.
Can I feel them? Can I feel them? Can I feel one?
Wow.
Wait, Mabel.
I want to feel that.
Oh, it's trembling.
What is trembling mean?
You can hear it.
What does trembling
shaking.
mean?
We have our chickens now. Well, they're still chicks, but they're super cute. So we're pulling them out right now to show you guys. So here are the chickens. These are our girls.
Okay, move.
Look at how cute he is. Oh, she. Look how cute she is. What's up, chicken? Okay, so this is our little makeshift chicken coop place. This is their little palace we made them last summer, and it's pretty nice. It holds 12 chickens is recommended. Yep, we have 14. And we made this door thing to keep out raccoons and to make sure that they don't jump out. Because last year, they were able to jump out of the gate. Okay, so we are finally at the blueberry farm. Anyways, we are coming to pick blueberries, like I said earlier. So.
Hello.
And the photo bomber. Goober, can you say hi?
Hi.
You can't say hi? Let's go get in your wagon. Wagon.
I learned the word wagon.
These are just slightly janky. Not joking. I have missed recording for you guys like so much. Like, I was so excited when I recorded the first little chunk of this video. Because like, it's been forever. We are going back to the 1 video a week. So, if I have more time, I might do 2, but probably just 1. Because that's more realistic. Hi, Cooper. Cooper, can you say hi? Hi. Can you say my name's Cooper? Say my name's Cooper. Like usual, there's another family contest. Let's
This
see
one's
who's
bigger.
bigger.
I'd like to weigh it.
You won.
No, mine's totally bigger.
Much bigger.
Hey, don't touch him.
I want a big one.
Look at your own.
See? Way
Those are
bigger.
huge. That was fun. Did you win? Did you win the blueberry largest
If I didn't
contest?
win, I came in as a close second.
Which is almost as worse as losing. So
It's close to winning. We'd have to weigh it.
we're a competitive family. Let's go. Well, that was fun. We're about to leave because people are getting sweaty. We got quite a bit. This is mine. There is my bucket full of blueberries.
Do you want to see mine?
And Mom's is right there, a lot more full than mine.
You want to see mine?
And Molly's
He's actually
is
hurting
even
my
fuller.
shoulder.
Wow,
Hey, it's Sophie.
that's a lot of blueberries. How much fun did you have, Joe?
A lot. I can't see right now.
Yeah. Make sure to like, comment, and share. And remember, we're having that subscriber giveaway, which is when we get 100 subscribers. So right now, at the time of making this video, we have about 86 subscribers. So come on, people, tell your friends and stuff, because if you have more friends and you tell them that they have to give you the prize, then you could have like 3 different entries. So that could work for you. So make sure to subscribe. The Harry Potter character sketch giveaway will happen when we get our 100th subscriber. And yeah, make sure to stay tuned for more videos. Bye. Stay hairy. Just look at the camera. Say it. No, louder.
In your armpits
Louder.
too.
Louder.
Stay hairy.
Say it louder.
Stay hairy.